Hello everyone, this is Cubics Data Recovery, and we are working on 8 terabyte Seagate, which is shingled magnetic recording drive. It's a 8 terabyte Barracuda ST8000DM004, and the original controller is not functional, so we need to find a functional controller and make it work. So these things, like controllers, they have a main controller unit, which is the Seagate chip. This is basically the brain of the controller, and the way it works with the platters and with the drive and all the other things is that through the encryption. And obviously the new controller is not going to work because the signatures will not match. So we need to transplant not only a ROM chip but also controller chip to the new board. So that's what we're going to do. Put a little flux there. That should be enough. Let's get it warmed up. It's going to take a little bit. It's a pretty thick PCB board. Takes a little bit to warm up. It's getting there slowly. There we go. It's ready. So let's take it off. Alright, let's cool it off. Here's the chip. So we're gonna prep it for the placement on the other board and then put it on another board. Okay, so we got the right processor and we prepped it, so we need to align it. There's marks here for the alignment on the corners. try to get a little closer here. It's kind of hard to align because the balls are sticking out and still have some lead left on the places where the old processor was. So we need to get it as close as possible. Otherwise we're gonna have some problems. Yeah, it may take some time. I'm gonna put it on pause here. It's taking a bit longer than I anticipated. Alright, so we got it aligned finally. Let's warm it up and get it soldered in. Alright, it's getting where we need it to. You will see it will seat itself to the spots once the lead is melted. Come on. That's close. So here's the final result. Chip is seated, and we are ready to check if there is any shorts underneath the chip, and then after that we will power it on.